is broken. Don't ever forget you're golden. I will find the light in your soul. I'll be there. Never leaving you in the darkness.
Hi guys. We're doing fireworks.
Like before 4th of July.
Yes, before 4th of July, but it's okay.
Yes, it is.
Yes, because we looked at the law, totally. I'm just kidding.
Well, we did look at the law.
Yes. And
So, yeah, we're popping fireworks on 4th of July. Before 4th of July. 4th of July.
yep, we are popping fireworks at the 4th of July.
Yeah.
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 Okay, anyway. Guys, we're going to have to set you guys up.
Hold on. Stay here.
Where are you going? Anyway, we're about to set you guys up because we're going to be doing other things. And we have our tripod. So, we'll see you on the tripod.
Till then, stay safe.
So, guys, we are back on the tripod. Popping fireworks.
That's all I can say, really, to be honest with you, at this moment.
Oh my gosh. I'm kind of scared to do it because I don't throw it fast.
Yeah, we pop it. Oh! Stop! Alright. If this goes wrong, mwah.
Yeah, I'm gonna do one of those. I need this hand. But I throw it, like, just throw it.
So make sure just censor it out the driver's license. Don't look at that. Straight it out.
It's out and how I throw it.
Oh, Jada, get back!
I'm not holding that.
Those aren't that loud, actually, guys. If you know, these things aren't that loud. He's getting a few views.
Well, I encourage anyone, laying or otherwise, to go read the score, right? There's actually a case for a 10-8 for Dodgers in round 3. I'm not saying that's my scorecard, but go read the rules and the score.
Right here.
Guys, the dust was getting in my face.
This right here, this I can do this. Oh dang! Oh wait, never mind. See, the camera didn't get it. All it's getting is the smoke. It's only. Oh yeah.
Ready? Smile. Okay, good. That scared me.
Yeah.
Maybe we can get a thumbnail like with it sprinkling, but like hurry up and like throw it. It's only gonna take a second. Ready? One. Scared. 2, 3. Okay, we got it.
Whoa.
We got a thumbnail, guys.
Yeah, that was so fake. It was
That actually scared me though. Okay, so guys, We might do snow cones today. Are we doing snow cones today?
You know what?
We're gonna do some of these today.
This stinks. It stinks, guys. There we go. So guys,
Yep, we are done
yeah,
with our fireworks.
for today,
Yeah, for today.
until July 4th. Yeah, stay salty. But first, subscribe.
Hit that notification bell
to get notified
and
when
like
we
the
post.
video.
Yeah. And stay salty.
Stay salty.
Bye.